Hello, beautiful keto women. Today I'm making walnut crusted halibut. I got this halibut at Sprouts and they're beautiful pieces. They sell them by the piece and they're $11.99 a piece. The butcher took the skin off for me, which I was most grateful to him. But pork panko. You can use pork panko to substitute panko in any recipe and it has no carbs. Pork rinds that have been ground up and they have a lot of flavor because they're pork rinds. Start by squeezing a bit of lemon on my fillets. I have 4 of them and I just have half a lemon. And I always suggest when you go to buy fish, especially fish that is this expensive, ask the butcher to take out a piece and ask him to let you smell it. Because if it smells, quote, fishy, you don't want to buy it. That means it's been sitting there too long. Put about a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. This is actually Parmesan and Romano grated cheese blend from Trader Joe's. I found it to have the least amount of sodium in all of their grated cheeses. And a 1/2 cup of the panko. So I'm gonna take about, let's say 20 walnuts, put them in a Ziploc bag and smash them down. I usually make macadamia nut crusted halibut, but I don't have any macadamia nuts. So we'll use walnuts. I'm gonna put my nuts in here. Next, for my fresh dill. You could also use parsley or basil. Halibut is such a light fish, you can really do whatever you want to it. You could do a basil crust sauce, you could do lemon butter caper, you could do like an orange beurre blanc. I love dill, so I'll put a lot in here. Give this a stir. I think it's seeded. It's like by the time I get the camera to see the food, then you can't see me anymore. And now for the melted butter. 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup. Butter makes everything better. It went from a crumbly dry mixture to like a paste, so it'll stick to the halibut. Foil in the bottom of my tin because after these get cooked on the barbecue, then they can use this tin to put it back into.
Place the halibut in the tin with the skin side down.
I'm just gonna put this right on top. Really try to mash it on there. I'll take a little bit of olive oil and drizzle them on all of them. Bit of pepper. And a bit of my all-time favorite, Paul Prudhomme Seafood Magic. Foil on top, and we're good to go.
Take the foil out of the tin and place it on the barbecue for about 7 minutes. Alternatively, you could put the whole tin into the oven at 375 degrees and cook for 15 minutes. Thanks for watching.